Have you ever wondered how the world around us came to be? How history, geography, economics, and civics intertwine to create the societies we live in today? Welcome to a journey of discovery, where we peel back the layers of time, space, and human nature to understand the complexities of our world. This channel is a gateway, a space where we explore the intricate tapestry of social studies. We dive into a world of kings and queens, wars and treaties, revolutions and reformations. History, often seen as a collection of dates and events, is much more than that. It's a rich narrative of human endeavors, triumphs, and failures. It's a story of how we've evolved and how we continue to shape our future. The world is vast, and so is the study of geography. It's not just about maps and mountains, rivers and valleys. It's an exploration of how landscapes influence cultures, economies, and politics. It's about understanding the relationship between humans and their environment. Economics, a study often shrouded in jargon and complex theories, is in fact a fundamental part of our lives. It's about the choices we make, the resources we have, and how they shape our societies. Civics, the study of rights and duties, is the backbone of our societies. It's about understanding our role as citizens, the functioning of our governments, and the importance of active participation in our communities. We also delve into the realms of colonization and globalization, two powerful forces that have shaped our world in profound ways. We explore how technological advancements have revolutionized societies, and how cultural diversity, gender, and identity play a pivotal role in shaping our worldview. The goal here is not just to fill your minds with facts and figures, but to ignite your curiosity, to encourage you to question, to explore, to think critically. After all, understanding the world around us makes us more empathetic, informed citizens. Your participation is highly encouraged. Feel free to ask questions, share your perspectives, and engage in discussions. Your input not only enhances your own learning, but also helps in improving the quality of the content. For students grappling with coursework or preparing for exams, remember, you are not alone. This channel aims to provide resources and personalized advice to alleviate some of the stress. In summary, this channel is a journey through time and space, through human endeavors and societal development. It's about understanding the world around us, fostering critical thinking, and cultivating a passion for social studies. Remember, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. So join in this journey of discovery, and let's read this book together. For any further assistance, feel free to reach out via email. Happy learning!